A lot of wolves in the legs.
What did you have this morning for breakfast?
Floatos. Lemon tea. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Wash it down with some haters tea.
We're gonna have a feast on Sunday night. We are preparing food from the Ghetto Gastro. We have food from Hungary with our chef Espan. Naturally, us Marco, we are doing it for 28 years already. And with Gary over there painting 3,000 Oscars in 24 karat gold. So everybody gonna get an Oscar from
Flavors of the diaspora, Ghetto Gastro, the mouth of the global south. Watch your mouth.
It's going down to Flavor Town, black and brown. You already know.
Flavor Academy, don't get mad at me. BX to the world. You heard? I loved it. I was like,
That's all right. It's all right. We can spread the love.
So this is lobster and pasta with lots of pepper. Really spicy, and then we put it in. You think I can do that? Nice.
Good morning.
8:45. Don't miss it. Tune in.
6, 5 seconds. 4. Here we go.
Back out with my man Chef David Rose, and since an Oscars party is no time to diet, he's going to show up.
Wow.